Now we will discuss Newton's experiment, the experiment performed by Sir Isaac Newton. Before discussing that, a very interesting incident was happened with Sir Isaac Newton, that when he was seeing an image of a large object which we see in our daily life, when he was seeing the image through the lens, what he observed that in the edges of the image, a very different type of phenomena, a unique phenomena was he saw that phenomena, that light performed in a different manner in the edges. Means when image is formed after refraction through a lens, in the edges light performed in a different manner, like it looks like something shown in rainbow. Okay, so what he he saw that, he thought that there might be some error, there might be some issue with the lens. Then he changed the lens, but he again saw that the same phenomena happened. So he reached to some conclusion with that point, and apart from that he performed an experiment. So what was that experiment? Let us discuss. So he used sunlight to fall into a prism. He used triangular prism, and what he saw, uh, let us discuss that first. On screen, after refraction, rainbow like patches, rainbow like patch was observed. Rainbow like patch was observed, and that was a spectrum. Okay, that patch was a spectrum. Let us first draw the experimental setup in a very basic manner. What he saw, it is a prism, and he makes sunlight falls into prism like this. Let's suppose it is sunlight. Light get dispersed here. When he saw its image on a screen, it is a screen, he saw a band over here, band which looks like rainbow. Okay, over here. So that was actually spectrum. So here Vibgyor, all the colors you have already seen. This one is red, and in between all the colors which are in Vibgyor were there. So this is what he saw. Uh, let us again write Vibgyor, all the colors means Vibgyor. V stands for violet, I stands for indigo, B stands for blue, G stands for green, Y stands for yellow, then orange, and then red. Okay, so this was all the color he saw. Okay, so red. So what was the conclusion he drew from this? Let us write that conclusion. He concluded that light consists of 7 prominent colors. 7 prominent colors means 7 colors were actually visible in that spectrum. Okay, so every color will have their own wavelength. all the colors in Vibgyor will have their own wavelength. All the colors will have different value of wavelengths. So what we can further write, that white light is mixture of large number of wavelength. Since white light consists of several colors and all the colors have different values of wavelength, so what we can say that white light is mixture of large number of wavelengths. And actually this point, that white light is mixture of large number of wavelength, it is called polychromatic. So we can further write, means white light is polychromatic. 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 What does it mean? You can see that poly means many and chromatic means wavelength. So the light which consists of many wavelength is polychromatic. It's you can say its opposite is monochromatic. You will study that in higher classes. Monochromatic light means that light which have only one type of wavelength is monochromatic. Okay, any light, you can say that if you consider only violet light is consists of only one type of wavelength, so we can say that violet light is a monochromatic light. Okay, however white light consists of several type of wavelengths, so what we can say that white light is polychromatic. Okay, so this is the point, that this was Newton's experiment.